Let's start. Today we will see different types of form inputs. In the body tag, we have a form tag. Here we have a text type input. Here we have a password type input. Here we have 3 radio buttons. The name attribute of the radio buttons needs to be the same, so as to choose only one radio button at a time. Here we have 3 checkboxes. Here we have a color picker. Here we have a date picker. Here we have a month picker. Here we have a week picker. Here we have a time picker. Here we have a date and time picker. Here we have a file picker. Here we have a number picker. The minimum and maximum attributes are set to 0 and 50. And the step attribute is set to 5, so when the user increases or decreases the number, it increases or decreases by the step of 5. This is the search type input. Here we have a hidden input. This input won't be seen on the web page. This is the button type input. This will create a normal button. This is the submit type input. This will create a submit button for the form. The submit button won't work as of now, as we need JavaScript for that. This is the reset type input. This will create a reset button. When the user clicks this reset button, all the inputs on the web page get reset. Let's run this code in a browser. So that's it. That's how you can use different input types in the HTML. Thank you.